should you use a pillow? Thick, thin, no pillow? What's the situation with the pillow? That's the subject of this video. Stay tuned. Okay, so should you use a thick pillow? The answer is it depends. Thin pillow, it depends. No pillow, it depends. So let's talk about it. If you have too little of a curvature, you use a thicker size pillow. But then how thick is thick? You really need to be laying down on your side or on your back and actually evaluate it. Make sure that the pillow covers the curvature in your neck as you're laying down on your side or on your back. I've done a whole video on when you lay down on your side and what you need to pay attention to. So we're gonna make sure we put it at the end of this, so check that out, because there's a right way of laying down on your side so you don't mess up your neck and shoulder and back. So then for the thin pillow, it's the same situation. You gotta evaluate and see what your curvature in your neck is. And once again, refer to that video we're putting at the end of this so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, I used to think and say that no pillow is never a good idea, but things have started to change. We're actually, posturally speaking, we're getting worse than ever before. So there are some people that they're just so used to looking down at their phone or their laptop that the back of the neck is actually longer than it should be. It's actually curved opposite. Or maybe you've had an x-ray where you actually have what is referred to as retroverted curvature, where the curvature in the backwards position is basically you lose your curvature. Instead of your neck curvature being like that, it's straight or it's reversed. So in those cases, you actually use no pillow, because what ends up happening is structurally, in case of the reverse curvature, structurally things have changed. So when you use a pillow, it's actually a lot of stress on the neck. So it's something you work towards to correct, which is a good luck to you. The other one is if the curvature, or if you're looking down a lot and your head is just too far forward when you're laying down on your back, you use no pillow. So the no pillow is only for people whose neck is too far forward and they're back sleeper. If you're a side sleeper, you still need to use a pillow to cover that curvature, the distance between your shoulder being on the floor and your neck. So there are a lot of addendums to the pillow use. I hope that you're understanding what I'm referring to. If you have any questions, make sure you use one of the methods of contact in the description box. And if you have not subscribed to the show, make sure you do so. Take care.